Okay, we're recording another test of my dynamic stabilizer. Should be able to see it there. Yeah. Got kind of a funky setup going on. I don't have a camera person, so I've got the camera affixed to the receiver. So hopefully I've got the receiver pointed in the general direction of the helicopter while I'm flying. As you can see, it's a pretty good day. There's a little bit of wind, but hopefully we'll get some good flight footage today. Okay, I just finished doing all my pre-flight tweaking. Did a couple little loops around, and I've actually changed the fins back to their original configuration. I was trying some shark fin shapes and different fin shapes, and it wasn't working out. I've got them back to their original configuration, and my helicopter's souped up, so the performance now is really exactly what I was hoping. So let's get back in the air. This is battery number 1. It's probably already had a bite taken out of it. See, once I start moving forward, I'm not throttling up at all. Once I get the forward motion going, hear how quiet that is? That's because, see the fins, I don't know if you can see the angle. Those fins move into that angle, and then I get lift from them, just like a fixed wing aircraft. Hear how quiet that is? Now, I apologize if I'm not always pointing the camera right at the model. I'm doing my best, but I'm also, I've got the camera strapped to the receiver. Now I'm going to bring it out of forward flight. You hear the significant throttle increase necessary to keep it airborne. Much louder than it was before. I'm gonna take it up for try for a pirouette, because as long as I've got my tail set up good, it should perform pretty well for a pirouette. I got it doing pretty well yesterday, but that was with different fins. We'll see what we get now. Hope to God I don't, the C word. I hope to God I don't have a C word. I'm a little bit superstitious, I suppose. Learn not to just not to mention that word. A little wind gust. I'm gonna wait for that to die down. I don't want it spinning back at me when I do the pirouette. Alright. Yeah. Pirouette's one way better than another because my tail isn't set up as good as it should be, so let's try the other way. Wait for the wind again. I can't remember which way I went last time. Must have been the other way, or that way. Yeah, gotta wait for this wind. Okay. Try that again. Yep. Okay. Well, that would be the end of my battery. Okay, new battery's in. Had to take it for another lap to test it because this stupid gyro drifts. I went from 0 sub-trim all the way to 95 to the right just to get it straight again, and then I had to unplug everything just to get it to reset. So much fun. I think it's the sun beating down on that little black box. I'm going to try and do a couple more passes so you can hear. And then pay real close attention to how loud it is there, just hovering like that. I'm not increasing the throttle at all. And you see how high it's going up? That's just from the forward flight. You don't even really have the initial altitude loss of starting forward flight. This is all at the same stick. I haven't moved the stick up at all. Well, now I have, but I didn't want to hit those trees. How quiet that is. Bring it for a close pass. So I'm going to have to get my tail set up better to show you the pyros and that sort of thing. I'm going to try and bring it down for a nice safe landing. So I can turn this camera off and just have some fun.